Well, my friend, I am in a dark place. I'm in a dark place. Okay, some light is coming, a little bit of darkness, a little bit of light. That's the way you should talk about the shady things, the things which the world knows, world wants, world loves, but loves to ignore. Something called sex, my dear friend. World loves it, but tries to ignore it. They try to show that they don't like it. They don't like it. They're above it. Bloody. If you don't like that thing, no, if you don't like sex, you're a seven-dimensional conscious being. You're a Swami Vivekanand. If you don't like sex, Swami Vivekanand is a seven-dimensional conscious being, and most of us are bloody three-dimensional, four-dimensional, five-dimensional, even six-dimensional beings. We're not like them. Accept the fact we are frustrated people, all of us, both boys and girls. We are frustrated. Now, my dear friends, I'll tell you something reality. Maybe I'm a six dimensional, maybe five dimensional, maybe four dimensional. I'm not three dimensional. I can assure you that I'm not three dimensional. And the people who are listening to me, maybe you are also four, five, six dimensional, maybe three dimensional. Nothing. There's no harm in it. There's no harm in it. Let's talk about the friend zone thing. Let's talk about friend zone, huh? It's a very harsh place to be there. It's a very harsh place to be there. Sometimes it seems better than to be sex zoned. It's better than sex zoned or fuck zoned, but not a very good thing. For most people, they don't like being friend zoned. What is a friend zone, my dear friend? You consider a girl to be hot and attractive. The girl considers you as a friend, just as a friend, a little cute baby puppy friend, a kitty friend. That's all. She likes to be a friend, just a friend. She asks, gives you money. ওই মেরে ফ্রেন্ড যাও না বাবু শোনো একটু 2 টাকা দিয়ে 50 টাকা দিচ্ছি একটু আমার জন্য নিয়ে এসো না একটুখানি ছোট জিনিস something like that. If you want to translate it in Hindi, I can speak Hindi. ओ मेरी जान जाओ ना यार 50 रुपया दे रहा हूँ यार जाके थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए चीज़ लेके आओ प्लीज़ कितना क्यूट बच्चा हो and you are so happy you say oh the girl is giving me money she doesn't force me to pay my money she's giving me her money and I'm just doing the physical work I'm oh such a nice girl you are basically it's a famous Hindi song चाहूँगा तुमको शाम सवेरे फिर भी कभी I don't remember मुँह से मेरे या कहीं और से मेरे I don't remember that I don't remember that entire song something like that I don't remember means you like her she likes you as a friend that's all she doesn't consider you as a level to be her mate to be a sexual partner baby I am serious sexual partner both men and women want to have sex she wants you to be a sexual partner does not want to be your she does not want you to be her sexual partner she just wants to be a friend because you are helping her no she thinks you as a male girlfriend and now be serious one more thing many men also treat girls like in this manner the girl is a bit ugly if a man knows that the girl is ugly but loves him he also uses her it's not something like on a woman do it even men do it also huh? So there's no sexist feeling no hatred towards the other sex it's just a normal thing now if you are friend zoned this is called friend zone basically when the girl just wants to be with you without having any sexual relationship with you okay may not be romantic it may be sexual but here in friend zone there are two types of relationships with men and women one is romantic one is sexual just sexual hardcore sexual that's all I give you pleasure you give me pleasure that's fine tata bye bye romantic means how I love you so much you are such a pretty girl or a pretty boy ooh, all these type of stupid things that's romantic bullshit sexual is hardcore business sex is hardcore business my friends now if there is no romantic no sex what happens the relationship is called a friend zone relationship the boy gets friend zoned by the girl he is just a friend maybe the boy is not at all interested in that girl Means maybe the girl has so much high SMV, the boy knows कि बस I can't get him. I just can't get him, यार. That's all. I just can't get him. Get her. Sorry, sorry, sorry. English is not my first language, so please pardon me, my friends. It will be her. It won't be him. It will be her. Her. Boy thinks I can't get her. Sorry, huh? Please don't. I'm basically a Bengali. English is not my first language. Don't mind. Mm. This is what happens. Now, how to escape from it? Look, if you are not happy with this position, if you don't want to be friend zoned, there's only one thing you can do. Say tata bye bye to that girl and just forget her for eternity. Just forget her. She's not for you. If you want to get romantic or sexual with her, and if she is not interested, boss, there's nothing you can do to make her feel interested. Nothing. She will not be romantic with you or have sex with you. She will stay a virgin throughout her life, but she doesn't want you to be sexually available. She can't. Girls don't have sex with inferior men. Be aware of that. Girls don't have sex with inferior men. Hmm. Just be aware of that. I mean, inferior means she considers you inferior. You may not be inferior, but she considers you inferior, and she's not romantically interested in you or sexually interested in you. She won't like you. Simple as that. Is many coaches will say you do this, you do that, you will escape the friend zone. Boss, you can escape the friend zone, but the other way around, you can escape it by just leaving the friend zone, just forgetting the girl. She will not do anything with you. I may sound harsh, or I may sound, you can say, cynic. How will you pronounce it? Cynical, but she won't love you, my dear friend. She won't love you. She won't have sex with you. It's final. You better don't waste your time on her. If you're really interested in her in a different manner, you better lose that interest and go and try with some other girl. Harsh truth, if your SMV is somewhere, let's say 7, you will get girls with an SMV of 6 or 8. Bus. 6 or 8. 5, 4, well, you may get it, but they will not like it. Means girls also like guys who are of similar SMVs. A 5 will not, I'm not talking about a physical beauty, huh? Mind it. I'm talking about the complete SMV, short term SMV basically. A 5 will not romance with a 7. Don't do that. She will not do that. She will try to, she will think, oh, he will just use me and he will just dump me. He will just share me with his friends. Something like that. She will use something inhuman. She will use basically. She will think about you. If you are 7, go for 6. Sometimes go for 8. That's all. If there's a difference in SMV, you won't get her. You won't. You will not get her. Be assured of this thing. Okay. So if you are friend zoned, maybe you are a 5. The girl is an 8. She doesn't want anything to do anything with you. She will be. She's searching for some girl, some guy basically. Sorry, some guy who is of a level. She may not doing it consciously. Means we all of us don't go on calculating our SMBs. We just get an idea. If somebody is high SMB or low SMB, that's all. She doesn't like you. So if you are friend zoned, escape that friend zone by just leaving that girl. It may sound harsh, but that's it. Boys and girls can be friends. They can only be friends if one of them is a very low SMB, comparatively low SMB. Then only they can be friends. Otherwise, they cannot be friends. So escape it. Escape that. Huh? Thank you very much.